Today I've decided to take my own advice and do something different. You may remember this painting. It was done at Cayucas. I wasn't completely happy with it, although I liked the color. So I decided to do something completely different. I'm going to do a palette knife painting and cover up this painting and hopefully make it better. And if it doesn't work out, okay. Well, here's the end result. I pretty much did the whole thing just using a palette knife. There was just a couple areas I had to smooth out with a brush. Oh, and I did do the sky with a brush. I kind of like it. I'm not sure if I will tomorrow, but I think it's pretty cool. Lots of bright colors. And it's certainly different than anything I've ever done before. So let me know what you think. And have you ever done anything crazy like this? Totally out of the blue? Have you ever done anything completely different than what you normally do? And have you been happy with it or not happy with it? Please let me know in the comments. I'll see you in my next video.